Hey guys, just decided to make a little video here. So let me switch over actually. Regular, that's fine. So here's this trend line. I bought some shares and I'm looking for a little bit of bounce, right? Hopefully we'll get it, but I don't want to take this trade as a swing trade, so I just don't want to hang on to it if it's not going to work. Okay. Let's look at DKNG. Okay, actually, let me see if this one wants to run. Okay, come on, good. Yeah, I think this is a good target, or if I get 500, it'll come out. Okay, sorry. DKNG is running good, so we'll look for a pullback on this one. I think it can go till 56.8. I already played this one right here. Let me see if I can show trades. For some reason, I don't know, it doesn't show it during market hours. But oh, there it is. So I traded scalps basically for 50 cents right here when it dipped right here. So it was a pullback trade. I had all these orders in, but they did not execute. I wanted to buy here, but looks like it just went above that level before. So we'll just cancel it because that trade is gone. Did not execute as per the plan. Did not come all the way down where I would have liked it to come, but it's okay. Okay, CRWD, I'm already out of that trade. Played the bounce from this 500 trend line level, right? It was a first touch bounce, got long here around to 11.19, gave it a $500. Well, I had 500 shares, but gave it $1 off stop loss and almost a 1-to-1 risk to reward, but I ended up getting better, right? So that's a good thing. Let's see if we can trade something else. Here's Beyond, almost like $70-80 gap up today, right? Based on that partnership with Pepsi company. So we'll see how it trades, but to get me into a trade like a high probability, high quality trade, I would like to buy it towards this bottom channel here. So I'll wait for it to come towards that level. If it does not, if it goes back above this, breaks out, yeah, I kind of miss it, but that's my plan. Facebook here making good higher lows, higher high kind of a thing. So I think that can be a good chart to trade today. So let's start buying actually here. We'll just add and look for a little bit of push to the upside towards this 283 level. It has earnings tomorrow, so I think this can remain elevated, based on expectations. Who knows what happens after the earnings are announced, but at least till the earnings are announced, I think it will just remain elevated, and looks like it does. It's giving a nice daily projection today. So let me see if I can draw this daily trend line here. Let's duplicate it. So there's this, you can say, this channel here that it's moving in, right? Doesn't look that bad. So we'll add more. Looks like it's maybe 100 more. Okay, and just want a little push to the upside back towards this channel top, and that would be a good level to come out. So you see how it was having trouble in the first half an hour to break out of this level right here, right? It was having a hard time closing above this level, right? This one, and now it cleared that level and gave us a close in 5-minute bar above that level. So, but we are getting this pullback, right? So that's why I started adding, and on any move to the upside, towards this upside channel, as long as it holds this area, generally speaking, I'll look to scale out. Okay, so that's sort of the idea of the day trade plan here. Look for a trending chart that's moving in the direction that you want it to go, then look for a pullback, make some channels, trend lines, do some analysis on the price action. Where is the support? Where is the resistance level? And then you just kind of build and scale in, scale out as you trade, but you got to keep in mind where you want to come out in case it does not. So for me, I'll come out if it goes below this channel bottom, right? That will be my stop loss. I don't want to hold this thing or convert it into a swing trade, right? So I'm hoping it does not do that, and let's see. So it's at the channel bottom. This is going to be my last ad, and I'm done after this, right? If it closes below this 5-minute bar closes below the channel bottom, I will be out. I'll take my loss and move on. But I just need a little push towards around 280.50 would be a nice level. Actually, I have what, 950 shares. Let's, if I come out at 280 point, I don't know. So I'll just put it right now like this. And if we need to come out early, let me adjust that so it's a better view for you. Alright, so here's the channel bottom. So I'm buying at the channel bottom, and as long as it closes back up, still have a few minutes left. So if it closes back above the channel, I'm still in the game, right? But it's showing me some loss right now. And again, a lot of people look at the P&L and they start getting panicky, right? So as long as the chart is intact, as long as it's playing out as per your plan, you don't have to panic, right? So this is a good support level again that it usually bounced up from. I don't want to buy it because I already have a big position, and then I'll start getting uncomfortable if it goes further down, right? I'm already in a place where I would like to take it a stop loss, but I'll only do it if it closes below this trend line, right? So we still have a few minutes. That's why when I say play the chart, do not play the P&L. That's what I mean, that as long as the chart is intact, yes, your P&L will move. That's the fluid thing, right? It will show you drawdown, it will show you a positive number. You just have to try not to look at it. You just have to play the chart. And then if you play the chart, the P&L part will take care of it by itself. Let me get rid of these trade things. Just got some confusion. What's going on? Rest of the places beyond. Oh, it's trying to come down. That's good. 188, 189 can be a nice area for bounce. CRWD, I'm already out. Not interested in that anymore. Solo, I'm already in. So I'm just going to wait it out. What's happening in DKNG? Already played that one. PLTR is fine. Let's go back to Facebook. Alright, see. So, no closure below the channel so far, right? Still have 2 minutes. I don't want to speak too early, but so far, so good, right? Just need a I can come out at 950, or actually I can trim. I don't have to come out of everything, right? So maybe, let's say 600 shares. Yeah, that's fine. 280. Okay. What is my average? Something like that. Not bad. So we still have a minute left almost before this bar closes, but again, stressing the point, as long as the chart is intact, you keep in your trade. You don't come out just because it's breaking down or something, as long as it does not close and you have a plan, right? So I had a plan that I would add on the way Facebook drops down, and then I'll keep in the trade as long as it can remain up in the channel on a closing basis. So yeah, okay. Oops. All right. All right, so I'm out of my 600 shares, and now I'm only holding 350, and I'm gonna try to swing this one now. When I say swing, I mean swing short term. I can try to see if I can get 281.30, 281.50. You know, if it can move towards the highs of the day, which is 281.65. So that would be a good number to kind of take some profits if it goes towards that place. Yeah, something like that. So still waiting for beyond to come towards this moving average, and this channel bottom here can be a good level to buy. Actually, you know, we can put in, like, let's say 300 orders. Let's say, what is that? I don't know, 184.67, something like that. It's $10 down, but it can easily move there. So that's my level. If it comes there, sure, I'm a buyer. Not before that. Okay, DKNG giving a nice pull here. Let's get into some shares towards 56 at least, right? So 50, what is that? 55, 90. Let's come out here, something like that. Yep, it's a good place to take some profits. If it comes down a little bit more, sure, I'll add in. But the reason I added it, because it's showing some bottom wicks here, right? So buying pressure. Plus, this was an important resistance level, which looks like it is going to be some support now going forward, at least in the intraday basis for some time, right? So I got in here. Yeah, looks like it just wants to sort of make this higher low. We'll see if it honors this or not, but this is the way I'm looking at it right now. This sort of channel up. So yeah. If it breaks down from this support level and this weak channel, I'll look to add here at 54.50. That will be my next level. In fact, I can just put it there, 54, let's say 63, something like that. That's fine. So I'll just put it right here. I'll add more here, and we'll see what is happening to Facebook. Still kind of sideways, but holding the level, right? That's fine. That's what we want. We want it to hold the level. Come on. Come on, DKNG. You can come down a little bit. So right now in DKNG, waiting to add more here at the next support level. And Facebook already trimmed big size, and now just holding some core position here for a move towards 281 plus level, right? And waiting for my PLTR, beyond, yeah. See if it beyond wants to come down towards 190 or 185, ideally speaking, right? Could be a good level to trade. Actually, this doesn't look bad either. This 5-minute bar, put down. I don't know. Looks good, but if I get into this one right now, I'll be getting in too many positions, so I'll just wait for some time. Otherwise, I would have, if I was not on Facebook or DKNG, I would have tried here. A long trade right here would have been nice. See, would have been nice to get long here for a couple of dollars. Facebook is still going, and see, it held the channel, it held the support on a closing basis, showing some bottom wicks, so nothing wrong with it. Let the chart work out. All right, still has Facebook here, getting close to the target, so we'll just keep it. Let's look at DKNG, still all right, nothing wrong. Beyond, it's kind of weird, all over the place. Okay, getting close. There you go. Okay, so we traded. Facebook held the channel, and they already told you the reasons, and my price action read, you know how it was the support level. Let me mark it. This one right here closed above the channel. Yes, it gave a little fake out, but that's okay. And this was my target based on the high of the day, and I'm out of my trade. Okay, so hope you guys like it and learn something. Thank you.